Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Vinted application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. And once you open it up, just tap on the search box and then type in Vinted and start your search. Once you find the Vinted application, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Just tap on the install button and this will now begin the download and installation of the Vinted application on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the process is completed. And once it is done, you will see the open button. You can then tap on this button in order to open up the application. And now you can proceed with logging in to your existing account or signing up to create a new one in order to start using the Vinted application on your smartphone right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Vinted application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.